Hi there. In this video, we will go through payments. Payments can be managed and viewed in the TechMan system. Let's run through how to allocate payments to invoices and then manage them at a later date. Let's use an invoice job as our example here from the dashboard. We can use the peek view to press Make a Payment. Alternatively, if we click into the job, this button will be available in the top right-hand corner. The payment details will show the job number, job total, total paid, total refunded, and the amount still to be paid. Below will be the date the payment will be logged. This defaults to today, however this can be adjusted accordingly. Next, you can select the payment method from the drop-down menu. The amount field will automatically populate with the total still to pay, however this can be adjusted. If the payment is a deposit, there is a tick box that can be used. Lastly, you can add a payment reference before saving. This will be visible at a later date in your payments report within your accounting reports. Additionally, this can be viewed when managing previous payments. Ensure you've hit the Save button before continuing to log your payment or deposit. Now we've covered allocating payments, let's move on to managing payments. Hover over the Jobs tab and select Payments. From here, there are filters to help search for specific payments. You can search by payment method, date, or even by which user or technician the payment was taken. You will see the payments listed below with all the information surrounding that payment. You will be able to see the job and/or associated invoice number, vehicle registration number, vehicle, customer, and even the payment reference if one was logged. The payment date, method, and amount will also be visible. If you'd like to check or edit a payment, hit the View option on the right-hand side. This will take you to the payment screen, which we reviewed before. Here you even have the option to edit existing payments by editing on the right-hand side. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.